Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nagalhimah At-Tarakia. So in this video, I would like to present about my outline proposal for classroom extent research. Right, for the table of contents, there are 3 chapters. For the first chapter is introduction, including research backgrounds, consists of case or phenomenon, purpose and innovation. And the second is research questions. Next is research objective. Next is significance of the study of benefits, consists of benefits. And next is definitions of key terms. Chapter 2, including theoretical framework and previous studies. For the last chapter is research method, including research approach, research presents, research subject, data collection, data analysis, trustworthiness, time schedule. Alright, for the first is research background. Case or phenomenon. 3. Outline. Low grammar proficiency among EFL students. Is many students face difficulties in measuring grammar, which can impede their overall language development and communication skill. This is particularly concerning in English as a foreign language or EFL context, where grammar is foundational to language proficiency. Second, limited classroom time for grammar practices. Traditional classroom settings often prioritize communication over grammar instruction, resulting in insufficient practice time for students to complex grammatical concepts. And the next is students' dependency on teacher-centered learning. These relations, direct instruction can hinder students' ability to learn independently or autonomy, make it challenging for them to engage with the material outside of the classroom. Next is need for autonomous learning in the digital era. With the increasing availability of digital resources, fostering autonomous learning is essential for helping students take charge of their own educational journeys and adapt to a rapidly changing world. For the second part in research background is purpose. To enhance students' grammar learning autonomy. By promoting autonomy learning strategies, the study aims to empower students to take responsibility for their grammar acquisition. Second is to integrate technology in grammar learning. Utilizing digital tools like the Boost applications can make grammar practice more interactive and engaging, aligning with contemporary educational practices. Last is to improve students' grammar proficiency. The ultimate goal is to help students achieve better grammatical understanding and application, which is for their overall success in language learning. Alright, for the last part in research background is innovation. Implementation of Boost applications as a learning tool. This study will explore how the Busuu application can serve as an effective platform for grammar learning, encouraging student engagement and autonomy. Student-centered approach to grammar learning. Focusing on students' needs and preference is crucial for fostering a more effective and engaging grammar learning experience. Alright, for the second part in introduction is research questions. There are 3 research questions. The first is how the implementation of Busuu application enhance students' autonomous grammar learning. The second is what are the students' responses toward the use of Busuu application in learning grammar? And the last question is, to what extent does Busuu application improve students' grammar proficiency? Alright, the third part in introduction is research objective. The first is to investigate how the implementation of the Busuu application enhances students' autonomous grammar learning. Second is to explore students' responses toward the use of the Busuu application in learning grammar. And the last is to analyze the extent to which the Busuu application improves students' grammar proficiency. Alright, the fourth part in introduction is significance of the study. There are two parts, including theoretical benefits and practical benefits. So the first is contributions to MOL, or mobile assisted language learning literature. The research will add valuable insights to develop engaging understanding of how mobile technology can support language learning. Second is insights into autonomous learning in EFL context. It will provide a framework for understanding how autonomy can be fostered in EFL classrooms, contributing to pedagogical theories. Second is understanding of technology integration in grammar instruction. The study will highlight effective strategies for incorporating technology into grammar teaching, providing a model for other educators. For teacher, alternative teaching method offers teachers a new approach to grammar instruction, enhancing their instructional tool. Second is technology integration with lines. Provide practical strategies for seamlessly integrating technology into existing curriculum. And the last is assessment tool for autonomous learning. Assist teachers in evaluating students' autonomy learning progress, making assessment more effective. For students, enhance grammar learning experience. Aims to create a more engaging and interactive grammar learning environment for students. Improve autonomous learning skills. Encourages students to develop autonomous learning habits, which are beneficial beyond grammar education. Better grammar proficiency. Ultimately, the study seeks to equip students with stronger grammar skills, enhancing their overall language proficiency. Alright, for schools, curriculum development reference serve as a guide for future curriculum enhancements, particularly in integrating technology. Quality improvement tool contributes to overall educational quality by modernizing instructional methods and practices. Alright, the last part in introduction is definitions of KJOS. First is autonomous learning. Refers to a learning process where students take initiative and responsibility for their own learning, allowing for greater independence and autonomous. Grammar learning. The process of acquiring the rules and structures of language, which is essential for effective communication. Next is Busuu application, a digital language learning platform that provides structured lessons and interactive exercises to help users improve their language skills. Next is EFL Classroom, a classroom setting specifically designed for teaching English as a foreign language. focusing on language acquisition strategies tailored to non-native speakers. Mobile Assisted Language Learning, or MAL. The use of mobile devices and applications to facilitate language learning, enhancing accessibility and engagement.
Explanation of Chapter 2 in the next video.